Good morning, students. So already we started square roots and cube roots. The basic part of the square roots and cube roots we discussed. So today we do some examples how to get a square root, how to get a cube root. Okay. So first, before that, what is a square? Difference between what is a square and what is a square root? Square and square root. What is the difference of these two, square and square root? Okay, so we know square means 1 square equal to what? 1 into 1 equal to 1. 2 square equal to how much? 4. 3 square equal to 3 3s are 9, not 3 2s are 6. That is wrong. 3 square means 3 have to multiply 2 times. 3 into 3 equal to 9. 4 square, 4 into 4, 16. 5 square, 25. 5 into 5. 6 square, 6 into 6, 36. 7 square, 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49. 8 square, 8 eights are 64. 9 square, 9 nines are 81. 10 square, 10 into 10, 100. So these are all square numbers. So now what is a square root? Square root, the symbol is like this. The square root symbol is like this. The value of square root in mathematics we will take as a 1 by 2 value. 1 by 2 is the square root value. Square root of this value is 1 by 2. Now 1 square is equal to 1. What is the square root of this one? So we written as like this, square root of this one equal to left side 1. Square root of 1 equal to 1. Similarly, square root of 4 equal to 2. Square root of 4 equal to 2. Now how to get this square root equal to 4? So already I told square root value is 1 by 2. 4 is here. So the square root of 4 I will written as 4 power 1 by 2. 4 power 1 by 2. So now here 4 is there. That 4 is square of which number? 2 square is a 4. So in place of 4, shall I write 2 square? 2 square equal to 4. And again whole bracket 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 2. Here multiplication 2 into 1. 2 by 2. 2 get cancelled. We will get 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means 2 only. So like this we will get a square root value. Square root of 4 equal to 2. So any sum we have to do like this. What is the square root symbol? Square root value is how much? Then we have to apply like this. Similarly, square root of this 9 equal to how much here? 3. Square root of 16 equal to how much? 4. Square root of 25 equal to 5. Square root of 36 equal to 6. Square root of 49 equal to 7. Square root of 64 equal to 8. Square root of 81 equal to how much? 9. Square root of 100 equal to 10. So this is the main difference. What is the square? What is the square root? Don't get confused. Is it both are same or not? So square means we have to multiply the given number 2 times. Square root means the number is equal to which square of that number, that is root 4, square root of 4 or root 4. Square root of 4 equal to 2. Square root of 49 equal to 7. 7 square is 49, not root 7 equal to 49. That is wrong. Root 7 equal to 49. It is totally wrong. Square root of 49 equal to 7 only. Square root of 49 equal to 7. 7 square equal to 49. So this is the difference of square and square root. Now how to get these values? Whenever this value is given, how to get this value? This value is how much? So finding the square root value. So finding square root value. Square root value. To get a square root, we have 2 methods first. So first method is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Second one is division method. Division method. In both methods we will get a same answer. So prime factorization method and division method. So today we discuss only with prime factorization method. Next class we start with division method. So the question is given like this: find square root of 1296 by using prime factorization method. So what is the square root of 1296 by using prime factorization method? The name itself given prime factors. So means the given number we have to divide with only prime numbers. That should be the factor of that number. Okay. So 1296, we want to get what is the square root of this number. So for this I have to draw one line like this and then one more line. So here 6 is a even number. 6, whenever unit place is a even number, that number is divisible by smallest prime number of 2. So 2 divided with 2. 12 here. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So means these two completed. Next number is 9. 9, is it divisible by 2? Yes, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Remainder as 1. That remainder will be carried to this number, will become 16. 16 means 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So total number is divisible by 2. Otherwise you can multiply 648 into 2, will get this number only. Okay. Next, similarly 8 is a even number. Again you have to divide with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Same, 4 is a even number, divided with 2. 2 1s are 2. Here 1 is a remainder. It will become 12. 2 6 are 12. Next 4. 2 2s are 4. So next 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. Now here 1 is a unit place. Is it divisible by 1? Divisible by 2? No, it is not possible. Why? It is a odd number. Whenever the unit place is a odd number, it is not divisible by 2. So 81. We have to check, is it divisible by 3 or not? So 3 2 just 6. Remainder as 8 minus 6 2. 21. 21, is it divisible by 3 or not? 3 7s are 21. Next 27, is it divisible by 3 or not? Yes. 3 9s are 27. Next 3 3s are 9. Next 3 1s are 3. So till 1 we have to do like this. Any number you have to do till the final answer as a 1 here. So now 1296 finally will get the answer as here 1. So now how to get a square root? So square root of, we want square root, that's why I am writing square root. Square root of 1296 equal to, I have to write all these divisible numbers. How many 2's here? 1 2 3 4. So 4 times 2 multiply, 2 into 2 into 2 into, next 3, how many times? 1 2 3 4. 3 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So while doing square root, you have to take two numbers as a pair. Have to take two numbers as a pair. These two one pair, and these two one pair, these two one pair, and these two one pair. Among these three pair of numbers, you have to take only one number. You should take here 2 times. You have to take only one time into 2 times, only one time into 3 2 times, one time 3 2 times, again one time. So means square root of 1296 finally will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So 36. So means therefore square root of 1296 equal to how much? 36. So means 36 square equal to 1296. So 36 square equal to 1296. So after getting this, you have to check is it correct or not. correct or not? We have to multiply 36 two times. 36 into not a 2, we cannot multiply with 2. 36 number we have to multiply how many times? Power having a 2, that's why I have to multiply again 36 with 2 times. So multiply 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21, 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9, 9 plus 1 10, addition 6 9 2 1 1 2 9 6. So this is the correct answer. So square root of 1296, the answer is how much? 36. Like this we will get square root of 1296 by using prime factorization method. We have to do like this. I have to divide a given number with only prime numbers, not multiply with even other than the prime numbers. 4 6 8 9, these are not even prime numbers, these are even numbers. So I have to divide the given number only with prime number. That is very important. I have to divide a given number only prime numbers till 1, and next after that I have to multiply the divisor values, and that you have to divide the two numbers as a one pair, and that among the pairs of numbers you should take only one number, only one number, and then multiply, will get an answer. So like this we will get a prime square root of any number by using prime factorization method. Okay, like this you should do the homework sums, how to get a square root of a given number by using prime factorization method. So find square root of 2025 equal to how much? This is your homework sum. Square root of 2025 means 2025 square root value is how much? Like this. I have to do same method, then we will get a square root of that number. Okay. So today this is the class. So tomorrow class we will start with division method to get a square root of that number. Okay. Thank you.